guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Annie and you're watching For a Girl with Annie. Let's get begin. So in this final 3D transform tutorial, we are going to create the card menu. So for that, I have just created the artboard with these two images which we have used in the first part. So now we will be copying this artboard, and for creating the menu effect we will be selecting our first image and drag it to and make it 3D transform and drag it upwards and make it into the center, and we will just tilt the image to the right and make it upwards more. So now we will be copying this also to the next artboard. So now for the second menu we will be making the first image too small and make it the original size and shift it to left, and for the second image drag it upwards and make it into the center and just tilt it towards right side. Just adjust the alignments. So now we'll be creating the prototype. So for that, go to prototype tab and select the first image of the artboard and make it to the second artboard with an ease in, and for the other select the second image, not the first, select the second image and make it ease in only. Now we will be viewing this, so it will creating a menu effect. You can use more images, but for this tutorial I have just make it this menu with 2 images. So that's all for this 3D transform tutorial. And bye. As you now watch the full video, if you like the video, give a thumbs up and share with your friends. And if you are a new user watching my YouTube channel, please press the red subscribe button, because in future I will upload more content like this on my YouTube channel, and press the bell icon. It will notify you when I upload a new video. So stay tuned to my YouTube channel to get knowledge.